think we'll be fine. We're a little obviously down because we felt like this again we should have won. But we just got to come together and have each other's back. This is a tough moment for us right now, but I feel like we can come out of it and get back to our old self. We had a lot of ups and downs, but you know, our thing is just staying consistent and playing for each other. That's what I think would win us games. You know, the moment where we had 4-game win streak, everybody was playing together, playing hard, you know, doing all the little things to help the team win. It might not have showed up on the stat sheets, but you know, we was helping each other out. You know, we just got to get back to that. You know, I mean, I had my rough spots, but you know, I feel like I'm getting used to this league, and it's a tough league. You know, good players in it, and I feel like I'm getting used to it and how the referees call the game for the big guys, and you know the battles we have. But I'm getting used to it, and I'm enjoying myself.